Shastri. How are you? Today I am going to dictate you question answers from the lesson Tenali Rama and the thieves. Okay. Your first question is, why was the king upset with the police force? Listen it again. I am repeating it. Why was the king upset with the police force? Note the question. Why was the king upset with the police force? Upset means disturbed. You know, I have taught you. Why was the king upset with the police force? Now start writing the answer. Now write your answer. The king was upset with the police force. The king was upset with the police force because have you written, the thieves were not caught. Okay, listen it again. The king was upset with the police force because the thieves were not caught. Because the thieves were not caught. Caught, CAUGST. Caught, thieves, THIEVES. Thieves. Because the thieves were, WERE, were not caught, CAUGST. Okay, this is the answer of your question. Second question, right? Second question. Why did the chief of police seek Tenali Ram's help? Have you written? I am repeating it again. Why did the chief of police seek Tenali Ram's help? Match your question again. Why did the chief of police seek Tenali Ram's help? Now write your answer. The chief of the police sought Tenali Ram, sought, SAUGST. Sought, it is past tense of seek. The chief of police sought Tenali Ram's help. Tenali Ram's help because he had helped him. Because he had helped him several times in such cases before. Okay, match your answer. Match your answer. The chief of police sought Tenali Ram's help because he had helped him. He had helped him means Tenali Ram helped the chief of the police several times, means many times or several times in such cases before. Okay, have you written? Third question, right? Third question. What rumors did Tenali ask his wife to spread? What rumors? Listen. What rumors did Tenali Ram ask his wife to spread? Spread means फैला देना. Okay? Spread means फैला देना. तेनाली राम ने अपनी पत्नी को क्या रूमर फैलाने के लिए कहा? रूमर मीन्स अफवाह. Okay? Have you written? Match your question. What rumors? RUMOURS. Rumors did Tenali ask his wife to spread? SPREAD. 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 Have you written? Now write your answer. Tenali told his wife, Tenali told his wife to spread the rumor, to spread, 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 to, to spread the rumor that he had received, he had received a lot of wealth from some wealthy relatives, some wealthy relatives, wealthy, wealthy, wealthy relative, relative, relative. Wealthy relative means rich relative, सुखी संपन्न संबंधी. Okay, mature answer again. I am repeating it. Tenali told his wife, told, told, told his wife to spread the rumor, spread, spread, spread the rumor, 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 to spread the rumor that he had, have you written? He had received, received, received a lot of wealth, a lot, 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 a lot of wealth, wealth, a lot of wealth from some wealthy relative, some SOME, some wealthy, wealthy, wealthy relative, relative, relative. Okay, have you written? Have you written? Okay. Now write fourth question. Next question, fourth question. How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? Listen it again. How did Tenali fool the thieves means कैसे तेनाली ने चोरों को कैसे बेवकूफ बनाया? How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? Here fool is used as a verb. It is a verb. How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? Have you written? Match your question again. How did Tenali fool the thieves into watering his garden? Okay, now write the answer. Tenali dragged a heavy wooden box with the help of his wife to the well in his garden and dropped it into the well. The thieves thought that he had dropped, he had hidden his wealth in the well. So thinking this, the thieves, the thieves emptied the well, emptied, emptied the well to get the box, to get the wealth. In this course, the plants in his garden were watered. In this way, he fooled the thieves. Okay, match your answer again. I am repeating it. Tenali Ram dragged DRAGGED, dragged means घसीट कर ले गया, pulled. Tenali Ram dragged a heavy wooden box with the help of his wife to the well in his garden and dropped DROPPED, dropped it into the well. Okay, put a full stop here. The thieves thought, THOUGST, thought that he had Mr. Rairam had hidden his wealth in the well. In the well. Okay? Thinking this, the thieves emptied the well to get the box, to get the wealth. In this way, he fooled the thieves into watering his garden. Okay? Today's class is over. The remaining part of the lesson will be taught in next class. Thank you.